KPRC2 is your Vaccine Central, and we're following a big announcement from the CDC. New guidelines issued today say people who are fully vaccinated do not have to wear masks outdoors except when they're in large crowds.
Top health officials and the president hoping the promise of a return to normal will overcome lingering vaccine hesitancy. Haley Hernandez is the only TV health reporter in our area. Haley, what does today's guidance mean for the community?
Well, it is really good news today for people who are vaccinated. As you were mentioning, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say there is no need to wear masks outdoors anymore, which is a relief to hear the CDC say that vaccinated people do have enough protection to safely be outside on a walk or dining at a restaurant without covering their face, unless, of course, it's at a big event around strangers. But local doctors say we do need more people here in Houston to do their part. It's an optimistic step for our country after a long, hard year, but local physicians say the number of people vaccinated in our area is slowing down, and it won't be advised to go back to life as the way it was before the pandemic until more people are vaccinated.
We got to keep going. We're not done yet. We need to get the numbers up a little higher before we can all take a big, deep breath and keep the masks off.
And it's never been easier to get a vaccine. In fact, you do not need an appointment to get one at any of these following locations. At Houston Methodist, you can walk into these 7 locations Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 3:30. The VA hospital says they do accept walk-in patients sometimes, but are mostly taking appointments at all of their locations, including in the medical center and Tomball. Legacy Community Health has 16 locations across Houston, Alief, Deer Park, and Beaumont, and offers vaccines for 16 and older. UTMB, you can make your own appointment online, and they're available starting at 8 a.m. in Angleton, Galveston, and League City. And at Kelsey-Seybold, you don't need to be a patient there, but you do need an appointment. The good thing is there are many available time slots in Pearland, Tanglewood, The Woodlands, Katy, Pasadena, and the West Grand Parkway locations as soon as 9 a.m. tomorrow.
So if you're 16 years or older, we have thousands of vaccines at Kelsey, and we'd be glad to get you vaccinated and help get the rest of our community vaccinated.
And just now, Mayor Turner sent a statement saying today's CDC guidelines are a thanks to those who have gotten vaccinated. He says as more people do, we'll see mask guidance continue to loosen. Chris?
So, Haley, before you go, some people may be confused. Do you need a driver's license? Do you need insurance? Will they ask for those things when you show up?
Right. So you do not need insurance. We do have to keep repeating it. There's a lot of confusion because some clinics and pharmacies might ask to see your insurance. People don't realize that you can skip over that question.
Got it.
They're taking insurance sometimes to cover costs of like supplies and the cost of the labor and things like that. So if you have insurance, you can provide it, but you can totally skip it. You do not need insurance, and it's free. There's scams out there, so if anybody's telling you that it's not free, they're scamming you.
Gotcha.